this is Debbie with the Food Prepping channel, and today I'm going to show you a recipe that I am just putting together myself. I don't know how it's going to taste. I'm just thought of things, want something different. This is a keto dish, and I'm going to just try it out and see what it's going to taste like. Well, first thing, I prepped cheese the other day, and I did pepper jack and Tillamook mild cheddar. So I had some of the mild cheddar left, and so I cut this up into littler pieces. You can see about that size. Then I had some green peppers, and then I had some cucumbers. So I cut these. I had spears of cucumber and long pieces of green bell pepper, and I cut these into little pieces, you can see. And oh, let me show you this. I don't know if I've showed y'all these or not. These, I got 5 of these before Christmas from Groupon. And Groupon's a thing on a app online that has some of the best stuff. But anyway, this you can use these in the microwave. They've got the rubber bottoms on them. They are amazing. It comes 5 all the way. It's another big one, and then other ones going down to, I don't know, 2 or 3. I'm not even sure what size they are, but this is, I mean, this is just, I love these bowls. So I'm fixing this broccoli slaw in here. Alright, so I have this bag of broccoli slaw. Let me get it down to show you. It's organic, market side broccoli slaw with broccoli, carrots, and cabbage. And so I'm going to put this broccoli slaw, let me get it open here now. Regina's not here, so I have to do this myself, which is pretty hard because I've just lost the strength in my hands like I used to have. So I forgot to bring a knife. I had to use a fork. Alright, so, goodness gracious. Alright, this is good. I'll get it out one way or the other. I'm putting this whole bag of broccoli slaw in here. With everything that I just showed you. The peppers. I guess I don't want any onions in here. Alright, so it's got that in there. And then I prepped some boiled eggs. There's that. I'm going to pour some of that in here. About half of this bowl probably, yep. Alright. Now I'm going to use, let me put the top back on this. I'm going to use about a half a cup of Duke's mayonnaise. I guess you can see that. Duke's mayonnaise. Alright. I'll go on and measure it for y'all, but I would usually just do it, eyeball it. Alright, so there's roughly a half a cup of mayonnaise. Alright, I've got some organic Dijon mustard that I'm going to put in here. I'm going to put about 2 tablespoons of that in here. Might need more as I get to it, but right now we'll start out with 2 teaspoons. Oh shoot. this has never even been opened. I've got celery seed here. Well, goodness gracious. This was in the... Okay. I'm just going to measure. I'm going to put probably about a teaspoon of this in here. I've got table grind black pepper. I'm just going to put it in here to taste, which I like a lot of pepper. I really do. Pepper's one of my favorite things. And then I've got some iodized sea salt. I don't know why, but my mom always told me that you needed to have iodized salt. So I get iodized sea salt. And if I don't use this, then I'm using kosher salt. Alright. And I need some. I'm going to go on and mix this up now and see if I've got enough mayonnaise. It might not be enough mayonnaise for all this. It's not even near enough. Alright, so I'm going to get, with this big of a bowl, I probably do need, I'm going to do another half a cup. Not too easy to get mayonnaise out with the fork. But I don't want to end the video to go back in the kitchen. So, alright, now let me put this on, mix this all together and see. Alright, I'm also going to put some, where's it at? Some apple cider vinegar in here. Well, I'm having a hard time with this today. Not very much. Maybe a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. Alright, now I'm going to mix this all together. I'm fixing steak bites for myself for dinner tonight. So I'm going to go on and put this in the fridge. Mix this up some more. Put it in the fridge. And when I get ready to eat, I will bring you back and I'm going to let it sit in the refrigerator now though and kind of get all these flavors meld together, and I will bring you back and we'll taste this and see what it tastes like. Okay, I wanted to bring you back. I tasted this before I went on and put it in the refrigerator, and it needs something. And I know this isn't going to make sense, but I'm going to put some dill pickle relish in it. Maybe a tablespoon of that. Yeah, about a tablespoon of dill pickle relish. This is, don't ask me what I'm doing. I'm just trying out new things. I had this broccoli slaw and I wanted to fix something with it, and I thought I had a recipe that I used to use, but I forgot it. And I didn't go back on my channel. I just decided to put together what I had and in my fridge and see what it tastes like. So let me go on and taste this now, and I'll get a little bit of the cheese and that and see what it tastes like. It needs something sweet. And I don't know what. Because there's not much you can do. Alright, I'm going to go on and put some more pickle relish in it. I guess I could put some. Yeah, I could. Oh, all right, hold on 1 second. I've got some. Where's it at? This is our monk fruit. Where is my... Alright, here's my erythritol. I think it's... Yeah, this has been opened. Alright, so this is the... This is the... Whoops, can't see. I've got it zoomed in. It's the Now erythritol. I'm going to go on and put in... I'm just gonna sprinkle a little bit. This isn't even very much at all. Maybe a half a teaspoon. Mix these other pickles up. Alright, now let me wipe off my spoon and taste this. And yes. Let me taste it again. Perfect. I taste those. I was going to say something and then stopped myself. I taste the dill pickles in there. This is all mine, y'all. This is all my recipe. I put this together. Probably never would anybody else think of this. This is really good. This just goes to show that you always think about what's in your refrigerator when you're thinking up recipes. Because I had prepped those peppers, those eggs, the cucumbers, the cheese. I had this bag of broccoli slaw. This is really good, y'all. Alright, well, I'm going to get off here. We already know that the longer this sits, the better it's going to be, but right now it's amazing. So, I'm going to get off of here and put this in the fridge. And if you like this recipe, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to share it on your Facebook and your Twitter and wherever you want to share it. This is oh my gosh, I'm getting those. I'm sorry. I'm getting those calls every day on something because, like a dummy, I went online and signed up for something, and I guess they took my name and number and telephone, and I'm getting about 10 calls a day now, and I don't know how to stop it. But anyway, like I said, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and you have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye. Okay, y'all, my battery died totally. It didn't even give me a 2-minute warning. It died. So I had to change batteries, and I just wanted to tell you, I can't remember where I left off, but if you like this recipe, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, share it on your Facebook, your Twitter, wherever you think someone would like this, and I hope you have a good day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.